such a hot day. I'm so thirsty.
The Thirsty Crow. It was a very hot summer day. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. A crow was flying over fields and trees, looking for water.
It's such a hot day. I'm so thirsty.
I've flown so far, but still no water.
I'm so thirsty, the crow said. I need water soon. The crow flew over a garden, then over a road, but there was no water anywhere. It felt weak and tired. At last, the crow saw a clay pot under a tree.
Wait, what's that? A pot. Maybe there's water inside.
The crow landed on the pot and looked inside.
There is water, but I can't reach it.
The crow tried to reach it with its beak, but it couldn't. What should I do now? The crow wondered. The crow looked around and saw many small stones on the ground.
I need to think. Maybe these stones can help.
One by one, the crow picked up the stones with its beak and dropped them into the pot.
One stone. Another one.
The water began to rise. The crow kept dropping more stones into the pot. Soon, the water came up near the top. The crow drank the water happily. Caw! Caw!
Finally, fresh water.
It cried with joy. Its thirst was gone. Then the crow flew away, happy and proud. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way. Clever thinking can solve difficult problems. What can we learn from the crow? Never give up. There is always a solution if we think carefully.